Hello guys, so welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you another untapped niche in Clickbank that you can promote without spending too much budget. And we will be using Google Ads here in finding keywords that are suitable that in this offer from Clickbank. So without further ado, let's go ahead and I'm going to show you. So the product that I'm talking about. So if you go over to Clickbank Marketplace, so just type in DZ and click on this search icon, and once you have the results, as you can see, there are various offers here that you can promote. So this a keyword right here, DZ or vertigo, it's a low competition keyword that we can easily promote using Google Ads without spending too much of our budget, and at the same time it pays great. So as you can see, 124 per sale, 42.95, and it's having a great gravity, so it means that this product is actually selling. And this one as well, vertigo and dizziness program, it's got good gravity, decent one, 26, so that means at least 26 unique affiliates have made sales for the past 30 days. This one as well, so 68 unique affiliates have made some sales in the last month. So let's take a look at the first one, Claritox Pro Dizziness. So make sure you stay the whole video, because I'm going to show you the strategy on how you can find the right keywords and very cost-effective keyword that you can use to promote this. And at the same time, we will be building a landing page, okay? So in order to promote this, we can just promote directly this sales page. We have to use a landing page. And if you are following along all my videos here in the channel, our favorite landing page creator is the pagepro.com. So it is a free landing page creator that you can create multiple landing pages, whatever affiliate marketing you require to promote. So you can use the pagepro.com. So register a free account. So here, if you sign in with your account, I'll show you. So as you can see, these are all the landing pages I've created. And here, what nice here is once you created the landing page, it will give you this path. And this path, you can directly use it in Google Ads, Microsoft Bing Ads, or promote it on Facebook. So this is a clean URL. If you don't want to spend a custom domain, if you wanted the pagepro.com to be installed in a custom domain, like for example here, just follow this instruction. So a custom domain is that you have your domain and then your offer directly. So you can create exactly these multiple landing pages, but without your username. So if, for example, you'll have a website called healthfitness.com slash for example, exipure.healthfitness.com slash tburn. So those kind of URL path, you can have them if you have a custom domain. So but in the meantime, if you just want to have it free, then use it directly. Just register here, and you have this great URL over here that you can easily distribute to all the traffic sources that you may have. Okay, so for example, so this Java burn, let's take a look. So this is how your landing page will look like. So it will look clean, decent, and without any jazzy or any fancy that will disturb or distract your visitors of clicking your affiliate link. So your affiliate link will be here. So there are two options here. As you can see, if you edit this page, okay, so there are two types, either opt-in or normal. So for opt-in, you have a capability of capturing the visitor's email if you want to collect email for your distribution list. But if you want them to go directly to your affiliate link, then head over to select the normal. Okay, now going back to our actual product that we'll be promoting now. So this product is related to dizziness or vertigo. So if we check the other one, this one, vertigo and dizziness, so if we click that, okay, so as you can see, this looks like a great product as well, and they may have some text version. So if you go to their affiliate page, because this one is they have to play a video, but they may have okay, so they may have some a page or another sales page that will have the text, because from my experience, I find the health the text based page is selling pretty well compared to those pages that have videos. So here, as you can see, they have this right here, some promotional materials which we may not need. Okay, so they have a video right here, and okay, so this, if they want to have the text version, they also have it here. Okay, so it's a good one as well, but let's stick to the first one. I think that's better. So dizziness or vertigo. So that's the niche that we will be promoting. So as you can see here, dizziness niche is unsaturated. That means not a lot of people are promoting, but extremely profitable. So see, average of $3 to $6 per visitor. So that's what it means. So what we do here is open this. And then this is how we are going to create a landing page. So go to all landing pages here, click on add new landing page. It's very easy. So the product that we will be promoting is Claritox. Okay, and then path name will be your the path that will be included to your the URL. So just make it Claritox like that, and we will just be selecting normal. And show bullet section, just click on yes. Show article section, click on yes. And then these are the the label of the button that you will be using. So for example, let's head over here. So if we take a look at the Java burn, so this will be continue to Java burn. So that's the that's the button label that we need to put. So once we put that, so for example, continue purchasing, or continue to Claritox sales page, or Claritox for this example. Just make it same with the article section. So leave this blank if you're just using the normal landing page, not the opt-in, and then choose the color. So this will be the color of the button right here. So if you see here, it's green, and the top bar right here. So replicate what the main color of this one may be. It's green. So let's grab a eyedropper, and that's a Firefox extension. So just grab that color, head over here. If you don't know the hexa code, so you can choose a color here, or but if you want your custom hexa code, so just paste that with a hash. All right, now affiliate link, very important. So just grab that from here. Promote. Okay. Oh, they have sales page as well. So Claritalk. So let's see, but let's just use the default one for this example. So just copy that. Head over here. Okay, very important. So if you have some tracking script that you want to add, click magic or propeller ads if you want to track the visitor, so you can put them here. So leave it blank if you don't require it. Text, let's say Claritalks. Let's get from the sales page. Let's say one simple way to maintain your balance, so we can keep that as our heading as well. So same thing. I truly believe this formula will change our life. So we can put this as the top bar text, and then the heading over here. So it's either you copy what exactly the header here, or you create your own. So I'm going to show you another website. This one is called the textify.com. So it will generate a nice heading page, attractive headlines that you can use on your landing page or your article. So just head over, create a free account. This is a free as well. So you have 50 credits. So daily, that's daily. It's resetting. Okay, so once you use all your credits today, come back tomorrow and you will have another 50. So suggest blog headlines. Just click over here. So for example, your product is about dizziness. um, uh, this one, how to cure vertigo. Okay, just type in your keyword here, click on create blog headlines. Now it will suggest you a very nice headline over here: a 3 simple step curing at home remedy to cure vertigo. Say goodbye to vertigo with this natural treatment. So I think we can use this. Okay, and replace with Claritox. We will replace it with Claritox, something like that. So put that here, and change that to heading. So this will be the heading as you see here in the Java bird. So this will appear right here. So this is very easy. So image, as you can see here, we've got manage images here. So what we do is simply upload the image from the sales page that we got. So for example, here you want to save some images. So let's save the this product. Okay, save this. Okay, and then save one more for our article section. So maybe what we can do is, so in the meantime, just we can just use this one for now, or save this. Okay, for now, just save one. Okay, I'll show you later the article section. So here, going back, so in manage image, so just upload that new image, or if you want to reuse some other images right here, you can do that. Just copy the file name if you want to reuse them. But if you want a new image, so just upload it here. So browse the file. Okay, once you have that image, so just upload that. And then it will be right here. So now you can use that. So just copy the file name and head over here. So copy that, and the bullet points will be this area right here. You can get some important points from the sales page, or create your own from using this generator, the textify.com. Okay, but if you want to use something here, okay, let's say what are the things that the moment you order, okay, some valuable information that we can put as a bullet points. So for instance, okay, let's put this. Okay, let's put this. Okay, so on the at the top, source from, I think we can have this. So copy that, go back. So that's one. Make it format it a little bit so it looks better. So every line it will produce one bullet point. So go to the next line and then paste another line from the sales page, or from the textify.com if you want to create your own. Copy this again. We put that. Okay, so now we have 2 bullet points. Now I'm going to show you how it looks now, and how you can actually start promoting it right away. So simply just filling out these important points, and then click this save offer. You will now have a very nice looking landing page that right away you can start promoting. Okay, so once it is saved, so click this view landing page. And now look at this, you have a very nice looking landing page that you can start promoting. So even without the article section, right away this landing page is very nice, and you just add more points here, maybe 3, at least 4 bullet points over here, and you can start promoting these right away. So see, very clean looking landing page. So if you don't want to use articles, so just click on no, and then hit on save. But if you want to produce an article, very short article, just to justify your landing page and make people believe what you're promoting, so you can do that in this area by just filling up. Scroll down. So you completed the bullet section and you have the article section. So same thing, just copy some headlines or just create your own. Okay, how to overcome without medication. So this one we will so without expensive treatment. So wow, this is a really attracting headline that we can use from the textify.com, and or you can always grab from the sales page itself. So here what you can do is just paste again. So same thing, move that to heading. And again, for images, you can reuse some images here, or you can upload a new one. So let's say let's reuse this. Copy that and paste the file name, and then here just write a simple or short article, or grab some information from the from the sales page. So here I'm going to show you if we want to create. So how without so what we can do here is just copy this and click on compose blog paragraph here. So it will create a paragraph for us, okay, just by typing a keyword here or our topic. So just click on write paragraph. So this is how powerful the Textify.com is doing for you. You can use this for free entirely, and it gives you really good information. I mean, a high quality article that you can even write your complete your one whole article, or using the these AI content generator. So here you can copy that. So you can have a small article over here, and then now save that. That's done. So that's it. Your landing page is ready. Okay, so when you refresh your landing page again, now you have this article section over here. Very nice looking landing page, and now you can start promoting this right away. So if you go to all landing pages, so this link right here is the one that we will be using in Google Ads. So copy that and head over to your Google Ads account. So don't worry about this account suspended. I covered this in my previous video, so I had some issue with this, but I'm just using this to get to give you an example how to create a campaign. But before that, it's important to, because this is find the right keywords in order to make sales. So head over to tools and then keyword planner. Okay, and then click on discover new keywords, and then type in here vertigo. Okay, so as you can see here, so change the location. So make sure it's in United States, because our sale will be, most of our sales will be coming from United States. So make sure you add that vertigo, get results. So see, this is what I'm going to tell you. Look at this. Look at the traffic, 100K, 1 million searches per month, vertigo. And look at the price. I mean, the cost per click is 0.07. So you won't need to spend too much money on, promoting this product, and you get a big commission. Dizziness. Look at this vertigo treatment. This is exactly what we're looking. So, okay, so grab a notepad. So copy those keyword that you think you can make sales, and with a good amount of cost per click. So we will take this. No, we get some keywords that are related to people that who are actually potentially become purchasing the product. So dizziness treatment, we can do that, and grab all those keywords that you think that you will make a sale. So that's how you find unsaturated niche, and choose the correct keywords with a low cost per click. So this product is really selling, so you can start promoting this right away without spending too much. Look at the cost per click is 0.17, so it costs nothing almost. So you just follow this along, but you can you can add your, it's this one higher range is just between. So in my experience, by just taking this low bid, I can still get traffic and make some sales. So what you do here is, for example, you grab 5 to 10 keywords, those keywords that you think make a sale here out of our product. So okay, for this example, let's just take these two, and we head over creating a campaign. So once you have all your keywords, so go back and click let's start creating a campaign now. So hit on new campaign. So it's very easy to create a campaign here use in Google Ads. So always use website traffic, because since we have our landing page, our nice looking landing page, so most of the time we will attract sales. So you just click on continue, and here make it search. So we will use the search bar of Google, and it will appear in the search result. So a website, business website, just leave that website traffic. You can make this Claritox, that's the campaign name. Click on continue. And bidding, so here in conversion, make it clicks, okay, and set maximum cost. So we will be willing to pay 0.15. Okay, so that means if we send 100 visitors, then we will just spend $15. So very cost effective. And in those 100 visitors, so let's say we're lucky to get 2 sales, and of course we are getting a lot of profit out of those 2 sales. And to see here 124. So let's say even if you send 300 visitors, okay, 300 visitors, and out of those 300 visitors you get only 2 sales. So that's okay, because you just need to spend $45 out of those 300 visitors, and if you're lucky enough, you get 2 sales, 3 sales, or most probably 1 sale. Just adjust whenever you feel that you need some adjustment in your campaign. So click on next, and then untick this, because we only want to promote our product in Google, not in with your partner. So we want quality traffic. Enter location. So here choose United States, and you can also choose United Kingdom. All right, and then head over to next page, next one. So just leave them as it is. Okay, so this is where we will be putting our keyword. So ad group here, you can rename that, because you can create a amount of any number of ad group here. So here, generic keyword vertigo. because you can add another group that will have a brand bid. We will brand bid exactly what the product is, Claritox. But in this one, we are not covering the brand bidding because we may not know if this allows brand bidding. But if it's allowed, then we can head over and create another ad group here, which has all the add brand bid keywords. Okay, but in this example, we'll just put this as it is. So these are, we'll put all your keywords that you found in keyword planner, and then here we will create our ads. Okay, so go back to your the Textify and grab the the pagepro.com, grab this, and what we do is so that's the final URL. So very easy. See, you don't need to set up your own website. It gives you a really nice looking final URL that you can promote anywhere. You can leave this, okay, and then headline will be so if you want to put that, so you do that. Anyway, it's not more than 15 characters, so as you can see here, so it appears like that, exactly how your URL appear like this. So you can also do that. And then the headline. So again, if you want to think a better headline, that you can always head over to the Textify. So here, add tools, it can help you create a nice headline. So for example, you are promoting Claritox. Let's see if that product is popular, then it will suggest a really nice. So get relief from tough allergy, Claritox. So it's detecting that it's allergy. Say goodbye to vertigo symptoms with Claritox. So you can use this. Just replace that with vertigo. So head over to our campaign again. uh, Goodbye to vertigo. So just make sure it's just 36. Goodbye, just 30 characters. Goodbye to goodbye vertigo. Okay, we can put that with Claritox. Okay, and then again we can feel better. Okay, vertigo. We can just put the our keyword right away, and it will suggest a good headline for us. Say goodbye to vertigo. Get relief from vertigo with our treatment. Suffering from vertigo, we can help get over. Okay, get rid of vertigo once and for all. Okay, this is a really nice headline. Okay, yeah, get rid of vertigo once and for all. Get rid of vertigo, or you can replace that easily. So yeah, so at least three headlines. So again, and at the same time, you can also get us some headline idea, ad idea from here. One simple way, your balance, and because it's pretty challenging to create a headline because it's just limited to 30 characters, so you have to make it really attractive. I believe this formula will change your life. It's too long. Okay, so what we can do is so get another. So you can again generate. Okay, finally a solution to your vertigo. Wow, that's really nice. We can put that in on our second line here. Finally, a solution to vertigo. Okay, very nice looking. Yes, exactly what we needed. All right, and then there's a description. Again, you can find it here. Add tools, add description. So say dizziness, dizzy. Okay, compose. Right, dizzy. Okay, it will create an ad description for us that we can use. See, dizzy is fine, friendly. Okay, so it's not treating it as it's treating it as name. So you can put dizziness or vertigo. Let's use vertigo. All right. If you're looking for a product that can help you very well, look no further. Wow, this is what we can use. Okay, go back to the campaign. Look no further, and then here we can grab the second line. Our vertigo relief Claritox. It is especially formulated. Okay, here we can put here. We can copy from here, and then we can say Claritox. All right, now our so see here, this is how our ad will look like, really nice, and with our URL, so you can easily start your affiliate marketing. And once you click on next, after you're creating your ads, click on next. So here it will suggest you to put extension, so just leave that, just click on next. Okay, and your budget per day, let's say I want to spend 50. Okay, so here it's calculating. So see, look at this, 271 weekly clicks. So don't worry about weekly clicks. These are just estimate. From my experience, this is a good number. So per day you can have really good number of clicks and high number of chance of getting sales. So this product is really an awesome product. If you start promoting this, it's unsaturated. So head over and start doing this exactly what I taught you. Okay, so these are the tools ready for you to be used. You don't need to spend so much money on landing pages. Just head over to here the pagepro.com and register your free account. You can create these multiple landing pages, and also the Textify.com will help you with all the your blog, your article, everything to create a beautiful landing page like this, right? Okay, So now going back to our campaign, so we'll complete. So this is the summary, and once you publish that campaign, so it goes to Google Ads approval process, and once it gets approved, your ads will be running, and you just monitor your ads and adjust whenever you need. So okay, so I think that's about it. So if you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below if you need anything else. Okay, if you need anything about affiliate marketing promotion, and if I can answer that question, I'll reply to the comments. Okay, thank you for staying.